Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library.
If you have recently made a switch from an Android device to iPhone, then you might find moving data extremely frustrating. And I'm pretty sure that moving WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone would top the list of your annoyances. The problem arises because most available solutions such as Apple's easy-to-use switch to iOS app do not support WhatsApp messages, leaving Android to iPhone switchers frustrated. Even WhatsApp's own backup solution do not support cross-platform restore. But it's not that difficult because there are multiple ways of transferring WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone without losing it. Therefore, in this video we will tell you how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone.
Transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone using email. Open WhatsApp on your Android and select the chat you would like to transfer to iPhone. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner, tap More, and then Export Chat. From the list, choose the app you can access from your iPhone. Here we have used email as an example. If you wish to add any media files, they will be shared as attachments. Fill your email account, then tap on Send. Now you will be able to view the chats as log files from the email app on your iPhone, but you will not be able to read them on WhatsApp.
Since this method cannot transfer all WhatsApp chats simultaneously, therefore we recommend you to use Alt Phone WhatsApp Transfer to transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business chats to new phone directly. Using this software, you can transfer your WhatsApp data between Android and iOS devices. This can save you a lot of time and energy. You can download this software from the link given in the description below. Then follow these steps.
First, launch the Alt Phone WhatsApp Transfer on your computer and select WhatsApp from the main interface. Then connect both of your Android and iPhone to the PC via USB cables. Now click on the transfer button to proceed. If you transfer to an old phone, take a backup of your device because the application can override the stored data. And if not, click on Continue. Before transfer, this tool requires to backup the source phone first. Follow these instructions to create a new backup of WhatsApp data on your Android device. Go to Settings on your Android phone, tap on Chat, and then tap on Chat Backup. Here select Backup to Google Drive and select Never. Once done, click on Continue to proceed. Wait for the process to get completed. Now verify your WhatsApp backup account with the same number. Type the verification code sent to your number and verify your account. Once verification gets completed, this program will automatically enter the next step to generate data that can be transferred to the target device. Now log into WhatsApp on your iPhone. Once finished, click on the Logged In button to proceed. Otherwise, the restored data will be invisible. Then the program starts transferring WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. And that is it. All your WhatsApp messages and data will now be transferred to your iPhone.
Hope you successfully transferred the WhatsApp data to iPhone. Share your experience in the comments and do not forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more such tips.